Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix something went wrong Retry problem on YouTube. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get start. First open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option, tap on search bar, search for YouTube app, tap on YouTube app and scroll down, tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down, tap on storage, clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back on the permission option and first to last allow all permission. First camera allow, second contacts allow, third location allow, microphone allow, another nearby devices notification, phone, photos and videos allow all permission complete. Okay, back to home screen and check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My internet already connected, and now tap on restart option and reopen it again your phone and go to your Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for YouTube, tap on YouTube update, check update your YouTube. My YouTube app already updated to the latest version. Okay, done, and go to YouTube. And I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.